I'm looking at this overall zone here from 19,935 down to 19,900 as my sort of lower boundary of this range. Now we did probe below it, and usually I would capture that. But because of this sort of previous price action and how things are messy in here and the fact that this happened in Asia, I'm going to just kind of look at that as a sort of break and failure of this sort of larger zone here. And so likewise, I have this upper boundary where we had this sort of double top here back from June 23rd, and then another double top yesterday. And I've got that from 20,005 up to about 20, well, basically up to the high here. So that was 20,028. So I'm overall bullish, and the reason why is because, this is just a pullback on the larger time frame. We pulled back, we balanced here, we probed below, didn't really hold down here at all, and then came back up into this range again and are kind of holding in here. And so I'm expecting that we're eventually going to break out of this and test the new all-time highs again. And what we could do is come up to this 20,060 area, and then again, we might range in here a little bit. This is a pretty narrow range, so we'd have to get good entries because there's only 120 ticks from zone to zone here. I'd like it to come back down and test that area. I think that would be a nice area to look for longs. Okay, here we go. We are getting some selling pressure. Again, I would be interested in buys down here, depending on how it shapes up. Let's be patient. This could come deep into the zone. A lot of volume there. I'm going to try and take a long here. Just it bounced off my key level. See how it goes. Bounced off my key level with a lot of volume. I keep my targets like that. Try and get ready to lock in one if it can get all the way up to us, hopefully. Okay, we got one. Let's definitely lock in two. Okay, two came off a little bit earlier than I would want it, but that's okay. It's probably going to go up to target. It just got kind of tapped out there. I don't want to let three come all the way back. Let's get ready here. Oh, I got tapped out of three too. I think that's going to go to target, but I got tapped out of all three of those. But you know what? $140 to start the day, 410 in each of the apexes. So that's $1,000 right there. Nice.